Hi everyone, this is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited to show you guys my new apartment. So as you can see, I have already moved in, and actually this is the third time that I moved since I got here in Boracay. And if you guys are wondering, nasagay ko sa'yo, I'm just looking for the right one. Okay, the reason why I moved is because I got really lucky. Okay, so if you guys are wondering what I meant by I got lucky, I'll show you guys around in a bit. And if you guys are also wondering ang gasagay English ko day, it's because I received some really good advice that I should be speaking in a language where everyone understands, because there are viewers out there who can't really understand Hiligaynon. And as much as I want to, speak in Hiligaynon and just put subtitles underneath, it would take a lot of work and it would take me a lot of time before I would be able to upload this video. So as much as possible, I'll try to speak in Taglish or Ilonggish. So if you guys find my grammar a bit off, just focus on the visuals. And if you guys happen to hear me mispronounce some words, well, you know what they say, different school, different pronoun. I'm really excited to show you guys around, and without any further ado, let's go. Alrighty, so what you're looking at right now is the garden. It has a really nice view over here. The big red house is actually the owner's. Alright, so the house actually has 3 floors. The second floor is also for rent for daily, monthly, or weekly. Right now we're at the balcony. As you can see, you can already see the ocean over here. It really has a splendid view. A whole new world. Okay, just kidding. Hello again, you guys. Okay, since I've already showed you the exterior of the place, let's move into the interior part. And going back to the part where I said that I got lucky. Okay, so here it is. If you were able to watch our Boracay vlog part 2, I showed a glimpse of our room. It was a really comfy room. Mahangin, and it was quiet. I also have co-workers who live there as well. But when I found this place, the landlady offered to give me the room for the same price as my previous room, which was 5,000 pesos. But here's where I got really lucky. For 5,000 pesos, I already have an air conditioner, plus electric fan, plus, wait, my very own bathroom. Okay, you guys, so this is the bathroom. Hi! Okay, so I've got my shampoos and facial wash stuff products there. I've got a shower, I've got my very own toilet and a faucet as well. And moving on over here is my very own fridge. Okay, so I've got a lot of food over here. I really like to eat, and I really am happy they told me that I get to have my own fridge. Okay, so as you can see, I already bought a lot of frozen food over there. I've got ice cream, meat, my favorite chocolate of course, Snickers, and a few of the essentials over here. I have a dirty kitchen right over here. Okay, actually the kitchen is shared by the landlady and myself, but I don't really cook a lot. Okay, so and another thing, look, they have a really vintage piano. I can't really lift the lid up, but you get the point. Okay, so this area is where I basically keep my clothes. I don't know if I should call this a cabinet because it doesn't have, doors. but you know, you get the idea. So I apologize if it's a little unruly over here. It's because I just got my laundry and I just shoved them all the way to the shelves because I was really excited to make this video. So I've got some dresses over here and some long sleeves for work because every Friday is casual day. My bag, which I usually take to work, I have some swimsuits over here. I already have almost 20 pairs of swimsuits. Some of my shoes and sandals underneath here. There's also paint because I'm still planning to paint some of the parts here in the house. Also, I've got new shoes from hhehehe. Thank you very much. Okay, over there. I haven't used them yet. Okay, some shorts, some tops, and some sleeveless. Alright, so over here is my bed. Okay, so I have some drawers. Okay, so the first drawer is a Watson's cabinet. Okay, I have spare cotton balls over here, alcohol, spare conditioner, my vitamin C, some Garnier facial mask, some pillowcases, and an emergency kit. Okay, this part I'm not gonna show you because it has my undergarments over there. Over here is a very sacred drawer. Wanna know why? Ta-da! It has food in it. Okay, so I have, I don't know what's the name of this one. I have seasoning, canned goods, some biscuits, some curls, and some noodles over there, more curls, and some cooking oil. This one is a really sacred drawer. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, I'm planning to paint some parts here in the room. For the lights over here, you have also seen them on my previous apartment. So still, BJ was the one who installed them. Thank you, BJ. And going home is my favorite part because, ta-da, just look at that. Moving along to this side, I have my laptop. I have a speaker here lent by BJ's dad. I've got my mouse that I purchased at Miniso when I went to Bacolod. Also my power bank. I've got a really cute picture of BJ and me over here. And I've got the makeup area over here. I just bought this mirror today and I really haven't decided where I should put it yet. I also bought this organizer along with the mirror. It has 3 tiers. The first one here underneath is my accessories and some cottons. The second tier is my lipsticks and some powder deodorant and some essence oil. At the very top, the products that I usually use during the day. I also have my songbook over here. When I get bored, I tend to write songs. Speaking of songs, I really miss my guitar. And I also have here my photo album and my Polaroids. Actually, this one is BJ's. He got this when he attended an event. You know, grabe lang freebie, no? Polaroid. I have my Victoria's Secret perfume over here and my ever favorite perfume, Paris Hilton. And when I come home from work, what I usually do is just, you know, watch Big Bang Theory. I already finished watching the entire Big Bang Theory, but I felt like watching it again. So basically that's it. I hope you guys were able to enjoy while I was giving you the tour. So it's just a simple place, but it really is really homey, and I feel really lucky that I am paying for something really special. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you guys have some suggestions on what videos I should be doing next, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. And also don't forget to click like and subscribe. That's it. See you guys, and I hope you have a good day.